whether we can get perfection in this very lifetime, how long it takes, just like he said, Prabhupada said 1 moment. But after that, what he said, it is very, very practical for all the devotees and also hope giving.
The world is relative, law of relativity, very scientific. Professor Einstein's theory, law of relativity. So it is relatively.
सुनाई दे रहा है?
One can become immediately Krishna conscious within a second, and one cannot become Krishna conscious after many, many births. So it is relative. If you have got sufficient intelligence, you can accept it immediately. If there is less intelligence, then it will take time. You cannot say that it will be possible after so many years. That cannot be. It is relative. Everything is relative. For a human being, from year to year, one step, and for a small microbe, it is 10 miles. From here to 10 miles, funny. So everything is relative. This world is relative world. There is no such formula that one can be Krishna conscious after so many years. No, there is no such formula. One cannot become Krishna conscious even millions after birth, and one can become within seconds Krishna conscious. But on the average, within this life we can become perfect. If you take it, especially when our young boys, we expect at least we live for 50 years more. Well, that is sufficient time. Sufficient, more than sufficient. More than sufficient. If for 50 years one chants simply Hare Krishna, he is sure to become perfect. There is no doubt about it. Simply we chant this mantra, Hare Krishna. No, there is no doubt about it.
Towards the end, Prabhupada said in the lecture class that you are all young boys and girls. In general, if you live for another 50 years more, that is more than sufficient. He is saying like this. It's more than sufficient to become perfect. So, generally, the disciples, the devotees, they join at the age of 20, 25, like that. Suppose in that young age they join and they start chanting. So it takes from this Prabhupada's statement that if you live for another 50 years, suppose you are joined in 2025 and you started chanting, you live for another 50 years, matlab 70 around 70. If you live for 70 around and you without discontinue, you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra by the order of the spiritual master, the prescribed number of rounds. And of course it is understood, no need to say, trying to avoiding the offenses. That is understood. Avoiding the offenses. We will try our best to avoid the offenses. Then if we are stick to the chanting process, especially just now he said Hare Krishna Mahamantra chanting, then it is more than sufficient that if you are throughout your life you are chanting, then if you live for 60, 70 years, then you are chanting for 50 years. Since 50 years, recently I got a news that His Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj got 51st initiation anniversary. He got from Prabhupada 50 years back. That means what? He is chanting since 50 years. Even also with Devi Shakti Mataji. Also the Dharmatma sent one message that Mataji is also chanting since 50 years. Since 50 years. In the late 60s she joined So, in our movement, we can see from the devotees, those who are practicing since years, whether it is Mataji or Prabhuji, His Holiness or His Grace or Her Grace or His only grace, whoever. So, those who are chanting since years, it is understood that what is their consciousness, level of consciousness. Number one, the type of detachment. Number two, the dedication. Number three, the Vaishnava qualities. Number four, and surrenderness to the Lord. All these things you can easily see that naturally they expected that devotees they imbibe the qualities. It's increasing because of chanting so many years. When you hear from a devotee like whoever, any Prabhupada disciple, those who are in the planet chanting since years, you just hear the pulse of realization from them, those who are chanting since years, like Mahatma Prabhu or Bhurijanpur, Sachinandan Swami, or any other devotee, any other gurus or Matajis also. What is their level of understanding, the wisdom, the realization? It is not the bookish knowledge, it directly penetrates to the heart of the listener. It directly touches to the heart of the listener. One line is sufficient. They say like that. Because of the purity and dedication and chanting since years. So, why I am saying this? The mantra Chitraketu Maharaj got. In the same way, we have also got. Yes, we have also got Hare Krishna Mahamantra. In what intensity Chitraketu Maharaj chanted, that is 7 days he could have the eye-to-eye contact, face Lord, he saw Lord face to face. What intensity! If that eagerness, that intensity we imbibe and we practice, then definitely the mantra has its effect.